What's up, guys and gals? Out here on Estero Bay looking for some bait with my buddy Stretch over there. You see any bait, Stretch? Can you point me in the right direction? He's like completely oblivious to me. There he goes. Oh boy, we got a big old horse mullet.
Thanks for the tip, Stretch.
Oh, there's two of them in there. Wow. My net instantly felt heavy when I started pulling it.
Hey, I'm sorry about the wind noise in this video. It was very windy this day, and as soon as you plug an external mic into your GoPro, you lose the waterproof feature. I'm in a kayak, plus I'm out in the rain a lot, so it's just not worth the risk for me, especially since I don't make any money off these videos, but I appreciate your patience.
Ooh, that's a redfish. Barely fought. Oh, he's just a little guy, that's why. Come get him in his net with his mullet. So our cut bait mullet is almost as big as this redfish that we just caught, but at least we know they're here. First fish of the day. He's just a little dink red. He's got 2 spots on this side and 1 spot on that side. Pretty little guy, but we're looking for something much bigger. Let's get a release on him in this nice clear water. Ooh, he was ready to go. I don't know if I got that or not. I didn't tilt my head down yet. And he let us keep our mullet for cut bait for later. Not like we have a shortage of cut bait right now. Here's one of those horse mullet we got, almost as big as the red we just caught. I got a snook on that big mullet. Near you. He's just a medium-sized snook, and I can't believe that this little snook, he's not even medium, he's small. He ate that stinking 8-inch mullet. You'll see the bait in a minute. Okay, let's land him. Snook love to eat big baits, man. Nice hook set right in the corner on the big live mullet. Little 22-inch snook or so. Get a release on him. There he goes. Something big picked up our cut bait. Something really big. I think it might be a shark. Oh. Oh. a massive fish, guys. Massive fish. It picked cut bait up off the oysters here, though. What in the world is this? It swam off a long way because I was looking on my phone. Okay, we might have to chase it. We might have to chase this. Could be a stingray. I mean, I've never had a redfish pull that hard. If it's a redfish, it's the biggest redfish I've ever caught. Oh, we need to get this put away so I can control him with my feet. Oh, I can't turn him. What in the heck is that? It ate a big chunk of mullet. It's got to be a stingray or something. Oh, please be a giant redfish. That would be so awesome. I'm gonna stand up and see what the heck this is. We got it in close. What the heck is that? It is a giant stingray. Ah, huge stingray. What the heck are we gonna do with this? Did you guys see that? Look at the size of that stingray. Holy cow. I'm just trying to pull him up so you guys can see him. We're gonna have to break him off because that's way too big for me to safely handle.
Well, I've unhooked some pretty big stingrays in the past, but I didn't want anything to do with this beast. I cut him off as close as I could to the mouth, considering he was anchored up down there in the mud. So I retied and set up 2 rods with cut bait, one on each side of an oyster reef. It wasn't long before we had a snook on.
Nice little snook. He's probably about 25, 26 inches. Let's get him back in the water. So you guys can't really see it, but right here in front of me there's a submerged oyster reef. We're a good 300 yards from that mangrove shoreline over there. But the mullet, they stack up on top of these oysters on a high tide. They know that the dolphins can't get on top of the oysters. It's only about 6 inches to a foot of water. And since the oysters are sharp, the dolphins don't like to swim across the top of them. They'll do circles around the oysters, but they won't actually get up on top. So the mullet on the high tides, they like to stack up on top of there. The snook and redfish will actually come all the way out here, this far away from the mangroves, because they know that there's mullet out here. And the snook and reds, they can get up on top of the oysters and feed on them. So that's why we're finding snook way out here in the open. Can you guys see that? There's like hundreds of mullets all along the edge of this. They're just glued to the edges to avoid the dolphins, I guess. There's a lot of dolphins out today. Look at them back in there. Oh my God, it's just jam-packed with mullet in there. Big mullet. I'm not talking little ones. I'm gonna try to get you guys a shot of this. You see all these mullet? You guys see that? It's just mullet everywhere, all along the shoreline. Look back here. There's a huge school of them back here. I don't know if you guys can see them like I can. I got a fish. Oh, I'm an idiot. I was filming the mullet like a dummy. I let the snook run me under the bushes. What's up, fellas? You guys seen any redfish? No?
Hey, thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.